Hi, guys, George here. We have new project. It's 1958 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud. Sweet. Here we changed the surface of the seats and restore the door panels.
The Silver Cloud, I was the main model in production from 1955 to 1958. It was powered by a 4.9-liter straight-six engine, which was relatively large for that era. The body design marked a shift from the pre-war style to more modern and elegant lines. The chassis was robust and allowed for coach-built bodies, which meant some customers had bespoke designs made by independent coach builders. It was one of the last Rolls-Royce models to come with a separate body and chassis.
Tools we used: wrenches, screwdrivers, staple gun, pliers, pry tools, sewing machine if custom stitching, upholstery tacks, heat gun. Step 1. Disconnect the battery. Step 2. Unbolt the seats. Step 3. Lift out the seats. Step 5. Remove cushions. Strip old upholstery. Step 6. Add new foam and padding. Step 7. Measure and cut the new leather. Then attach new upholstery. Ensure tight, smooth stretches to avoid wrinkles. Step 8. Repair door panels. Inspect the door panel backing, usually made of wood or pressboard, for warping or damage. Replace or repair if needed. Upholster door panels. Use adhesive to bond the new material to the door panel. Smooth it out and use tacks or staples where necessary.
Rolls-Royce cars of this era were famous for their luxurious, handcrafted interiors, including high-quality leather, wood veneer dashboards, and plush carpeting. Rolls-Royce cars in 1958 were a symbol of prestige, and owning one was a statement of wealth and status. Each car was meticulously crafted, and Rolls-Royce prided itself on the silent operation of its vehicles, promoting the idea of the loudest sound is the ticking of the clock. The Silver Cloud and other Rolls-Royce models from 1958 are considered rare today, often seen in car collections or at auctions, where they can fetch significant prices depending on their condition and history. These vehicles remain a symbol of timeless elegance and are highly sought after by car enthusiasts and collectors.
Covering auto upholstery piping with leather and stitching is a great way to enhance the look and durability of your car's interior. The process involves wrapping the piping, the decorative, raised edge that runs along seams in upholstery, with leather and stitching it securely. Choose a durable, flexible leather. This is the core that gives the piping its shape. You can use foam or plastic cord. These needles are specifically designed to sew through tough materials like leather. A heavy-duty sewing machine capable of handling leather is required for a professional result. A heavy-duty sewing machine capable of handling leather is required for a professional result. This process will give your upholstery a customized, luxurious finish, enhancing both the aesthetics and durability of your car's interior.
The Silver Cloud was the epitome of elegance in automotive design, with smooth lines, a long wheelbase, and a distinctive front grille topped with the famous Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. Its bodywork was meticulously handcrafted, featuring large chrome bumpers and a stately silhouette that made it instantly recognizable. The 1958 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud is one of the most iconic and luxurious cars of its time, blending elegance, craftsmanship, and performance.
To get more information, please call me at 310-435-8417.